Hey guys, I love Alaskan seafood, and here before me I have 6 pieces of sockeye, wild Alaskan sockeye salmon. We're gonna go kind of Northern African, maybe Indian. We're gonna call this a Moroccan 5-spice salmon. So get your spices ready, and we'll be right back. Guys, when I think Moroccan, I'll think of cumin, ginger, turmeric, and then always salt and pepper with everything. Okay, those are gonna be our spices, 5 to 6 spices, I guess you could call it. And I'll just teach you what, kind of how I approach this. We're gonna use the ginger and the fennel and toast that up nicely. So maybe what, 2 to 3 tablespoons, something like that. Smelling good. Over here I've got a preheated saute pan. I'm gonna add a good amount of oil to that. And this is gonna be the trickiest part, is just learning how to toast up the cumin seeds. You want them toasted, but not too toasted. So I'll actually start with those. Get them in there and you can see them. Moisture's coming out, they're bubbling. We'll get the ginger in there with that. So I'd say we had the cumin in there and the ginger for maybe 20 to 30 seconds, not long. Okay, but they've got a nice toast on them. Ginger's starting to open up. I'll just set that aside, pull my salmon up. I'll start with salt. And go with some pepper, turmeric, and then a little bit of cayenne. All right guys, from there we're adding some more oil back to the pan. It's still good and hot. We're gonna go season side down. This would ideally be 5 pieces in this pan without overcrowding it, but we're gonna make it work. All right guys, while that's going, I'm gonna dice up 1 small onion. Now I'll start to pull that color from the turmeric. Put these babies over. And then at this point we'll go back in, kind of drain off a little bit of the oil. Back in with our ginger and cumin. So we're gonna give that about a minute, and then we'll add our tomato and coconut milk. All right guys, so we're there right about where I want it to be. Turn the heat down to low now. I'm just gonna add in some tomato, a little bit of coconut milk. Give that pan a little bit of a swirl. And just let that cook down. We'll let that cook. Actually, let me just throw a little lid right there. We'll let that cook. I'm gonna go 90 seconds. We'll check back in. Okay guys, while that's finishing up, I'm just gonna hack through a little bit of cilantro. Nothing fancy, not too small. Leave the stems right in there. Add that to the pan. Let's take these guys out. 2, right over the top. 2, 4, 6. Pretty simple and straightforward. I mean, I think we knocked that out. It was probably within 15 minutes. So start to finish, pretty simple ingredients as long as you have those spices. I recommend when buying spices, don't buy the whole jar that's super expensive. Go to a place like Sprouts or Whole Foods, go to the bulk section and buy them, bag them up and jar them yourselves, okay? That way you'll save some money. But this is the Moroccan 5.5 to 6 spice salmon. I'm Paleo Nick, doing what I can to help you guys keep it paleo.